What is Costa Blanca in the winter all about? Let's find out.
Here said exactly the same thing. They have more time to enjoy.
We try to revive the traditional kitchen style.
Hyaluronic acid is a natural element that we already have in our skin.
They have a lot of sales.
Apart from helping people in the African continent, also gives free classes in the Costa Blanca.
It's a great time to buy.
In the year we have more than 300 days with the beautiful sun.
Here you live in nature, you live outside. And the winters are never winters.
We will visit business owners all over Costa Blanca to know what they offer and to hear what is special about this place.
UPNOW Costa Blanca.